Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the HP desktop M01-F1063wb. Now, the specs provided mention a 24.8-inch FHD aspect, which is a bit unusual for a tower desktop like this model typically is, suggesting it's designed to be paired with a monitor of that size for a complete setup. We'll focus on the tower itself and what it offers. At the heart of this machine is an Intel Core i3-10100 processor. This is a 10th generation chip, featuring 4 cores and 8 threads, running at a base frequency of 3.6 GHz and capable of boosting up to 4.3 GHz. For everyday tasks like web browsing, checking email, working on documents, and streaming videos, this processor provides reliable and responsive performance. It's a solid choice for general home or office use where you're not running demanding applications. For memory, it comes with 8 GB of RAM. This is the standard amount for basic multitasking in Windows 10. You can comfortably have several applications open, switch between browser tabs, and handle typical productivity tasks without significant slowdowns. If you plan on doing heavier multitasking or running more memory-intensive programs, you might find 8 GB to be the minimum, but for its intended use case, it's adequate. Storage is handled by a 1 TB hard disk drive, or HDD. The big advantage here is the sheer amount of space. A terabyte gives you plenty of room to store thousands of documents, photos, music files, and videos. The trade-off with an HDD compared to a solid-state drive, or SSD, is speed. Boot times for Windows and loading times for applications will be noticeably slower. However, if large storage capacity is your priority and budget is a factor, a 1 TB HDD is a common solution. Graphics are integrated using the Intel UHD Graphics 630. This integrated solution is perfectly capable of handling display output for your monitor, playing high-definition videos, and running basic desktop applications. It is not designed for gaming beyond very casual or older titles, nor is it suitable for demanding graphical tasks like professional video editing or 3D rendering. It serves its purpose well for standard computing needs. Looking at connectivity, the front panel is quite convenient, featuring 4 super-speed USB Type-A ports, which are great for quickly connecting external drives or peripherals that benefit from faster speeds. There's also a headphone-microphone combo jack right there for easy access. On the rear, you'll find 4 standard USB 2.0 Type-A ports, 3 audio ports for connecting speakers or other audio devices, an HDMI 1.4b port, and a VGA port for connecting monitors, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired network connectivity. The inclusion of both HDMI and VGA is useful for compatibility with a range of displays, though the HDMI 1.4b version means it's best suited for resolutions up to 1080p or 4K at lower refresh rates. A notable feature, increasingly rare on modern desktops, is the built-in DVD writer optical drive. If you still use CDs or DVDs for installing software, watching movies, or burning data, this is a handy inclusion. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, providing a familiar and widely used operating system experience right out of the box. Overall, the HP desktop M01-F1063wb appears to be a practical and capable machine for users who need a reliable computer for everyday tasks, office work, or as a family PC. Its strengths lie in its capable i3 processor for general use, ample storage space, and convenient front ports, plus the bonus of an optical drive. The main considerations are the performance limitations of the HDD compared to an SSD and the integrated graphics, which mean it's not suited for demanding multimedia creation or gaming. It's a solid, no-nonsense desktop for its target audience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.